Okay, hello everybody. We're getting started here. Working on this LTI thing. Let's see, I got my database running. I just finished doing that. Might as well start Sakai. I happen to know that this is, I happen to know that this code right here is, that I'm working on. Whoa, I don't want that. I know that this is tool code, so I don't have to keep restarting Sakai. I'm on a pretty small screen, but that's okay. One thing about my development style is I can survive on small screens. So let's get to it. Let's go to master or trunk or whatever I called it. Basic LTI. I absolutely know that I'm in basic LTI tool. Might as well recompile this because it's going to download the snapshots because it's the first thing I've done this morning. So that compile will take a long time, but it's a hot deployable thing. So the fact that I'm starting Sakai at the same time as I'm doing this. So find dot minus name. This is a velocity tool. One of my favorite kinds of tools to work in, and because it's like it's a view. It's a view in the purest sense, where a context is being placed in. Model view controller. Don't overcomplicate it. So let's see. What I'm looking for is tool insert.vm. So this is using the foo-rm stuff, and so the entire form input is here. When it comes up, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Is it up yet? It's up. So I'm going to show you what we're talking about. Wow, what a beautiful responsive interface. Make it a little smaller. Oh, what a beautiful responsive interface. There is really no responsive interface in the whole fucking marketplace as good as Sakai. I'm just telling you that. All the other ones, they're not as responsive as Sakai because we're not into mobile yet. I'll be adding mobile. Just all these other effing losers, they just don't do responsive well. Okay, sorry. It's early. Maybe you need more coffee. Okay, so where I'm going to work here is I'm right in this screen right here. This tool right here. So the basic problem you have is if you go to like Python for everybody and you ask Python for everybody to integrate into Sakai, Python for everybody has to give you these instructions. It's like, what am I going to do with Sakai? In Sakai, it says, make sure to check the tick boxes for supports content item, title and URL to be changed. You probably watched me do this demonstration a bunch of times, but what I'm going to do is I am going to make it so that this has to be set to allow and this has to be set to allow whenever you check this checkbox or this checkbox. I don't know about this checkbox. I'll have to test that. Or this checkbox, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't have that supported yet. I don't have that supported. I'll leave that alone. I'll be able to fix this. I don't actually think it needs to be for this one. I know it needs to be for these two checkboxes. Okay? So, So I'm going to inspect element here, and you're going to see what's going on here. So the thing I need to know is, whoa, that's a pretty smart, that's a pretty, I made this accessible. Okay, it's a checkbox with PL link selection of the name. That's what I need to do. Okay. So, here I am. So all of this form input, this actually comes from foo-rm. All that li tags and all that stuff came from foo-rm. But I can okay. So I am going to put a script tag here. Document ready. What just happened? My laptop just died. Or did my laptop not die? How's the streaming going? Well, the stream is kind of messed up. What happened? Okay, well, whatever. Alert. Yada. I don't know what you saw on the far end there. Close brace, close parenthesis, close that. / script. Okay, so let's recompile this. So that's just sort of part of my code approach. No, I did not want to start Adam. I hate you, Adam. Because you know what I hate about Adam? Watch what happens. Come on, Adam. Prove me wrong. Nah, whatever. I hate Adam because it always... Yeah, prove me wrong. It always wants to update itself. It's like, damn you. But I don't want Adam. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit refresh on this page. And it should say yada. That just is my way of knowing. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to say add a jQuery event to an input in a form. Come on, Stack Overflow. No, I don't want that one. No, that's okay. Yeah. No. Okay, so I guess I can do this. Do this. And then I will say, I think I'm going to say change. And I'm going to say yada yada. And I am going to change this on. Laptop's heating up. I'm running all on battery, so that might be why it's freaking out. Ooh, I got an ID. Link selection. Now let's see if that does it. So. So you see, I'm going to go about this. Man, this battery's going down fast. Why is it? Am I taking 7% CPU? I'm not get it. Okay, so I'm sure that worked. So now if I click on PL link selection, it says yada yada. There we go. So click the change. Oh, okay. Okay. So I want to do it for PL link selection, and I want to do it for PL content editor. Sure wish that I could make it so I could have one function. That's okay. I'll make a thing called function. Somebody can later tell me in the comments, like, hey Chuck, do you realize that you can have a selector that does more than one thing? Check radio. Okay, let's compile that one. Okay. You can check that's going to work. So if I check this, yada yada. I wish that I wish the checkbox would come on before I would run my code. I guess it won't matter because I think I'm going to try to make an alert fades away. Dog's barking. Okay, so now jQuery how to find the value of a radio button. How to find a value of a radio button. No. Radio previous. No, I don't want that. That seems kind of, what is that asking? That's what I want. Okay, so. You can tease me for how little I know about all this stuff. Okay, so the one I'm looking for is up here. I want to know this one. Name equals allow title. I don't have an. Oh, I do have an allow title. I think I need this one. I think I need that. No, I think so. URL. Well, launch. So now we'll hit refresh. Whoa. What just happened? Oh, I went too quick. Okay, so let's go down. And the data's going to be in console log. So if I check this one, 0, 0. So there's ones and zeros. I don't know if those are strings or not, but I don't think it matters in JavaScript. So the other thing I've got to get check rating sections. So the question is, okay. Ha ha ha! So what I'm worried about is am I called before it's checked or not? I mean, I'm on a change request, but is it before it's being changed or after it's being changed? Ah! Link selection, check, not check. That's going to be important. Stay away from val. What? What? Okay, so this one should tell me that's it. So it's checked, not checked, checked. So that means the on change is fired after the checking happens. Sweet. Okay. Makes this logic a little easier to write. Let's make this easy. Or copy paste, copy paste. Oh, I'm editing this with tabs. I gotta fix that. This is coming together pretty quick. Console.log. Oh, got compile. I'm happy about that. Thank you, jQuery. Thank you for calling me after it's been changed. Hi. Huh. Okay. Oh wait. Oh yeah. That's what I want right there. So if either one is checked, I want to print that stuff out. And if neither one is checked, the one that says neither check. Gotta check it. Do the checking. Yay! I think I've got my logic as to when to do checking. So that's cool. Okay. Okay, so is there like a jQuery alert? jQuery alert dialog. Is there a jQuery alert somewhere? Looks like I'm going to use dialog. Looks like that's what I'm using. Okay. I'll use alert for now, or use console for now. Okay. Setting a radio button. jQuery. What? Whoa. This is... Oh. That's right. These radios are like funky town. Radios are funky. Inspect element. So this is asking. So I've got an ID on this, thankfully. So I gotta go find. I've got to find. I'm gonna click. I'm gonna try this. So allow title, allow. So I'm gonna try this. Console log. The times they are changing. Dollar parenthesis quote pound sign that thing. So that is click. We're going to see. We're going to click it. And then we're going to go like this. We shall see. We shall see. Okay, let's see if that does it. Times they are changing. Let's go back to console. Let's clear the console. Somebody's got to fix those 404s. That's annoying. I'm going to put them in. Okay, here we go. Times they are changing. Now, if I click this, they should. Well, let's go check to see if they changed. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. And booyah! Now, if I go down here and I click it again, it's not going to say the times they are changing because they're already set. Yeah. Clear, clear. Now I'm. So I don't know about setting these back. Okay, I'll set them back. I'll set them back. I will set them. Well, god dang it. Should I set them back? Okay. Yeah, I'll always take the high road. Set them back. Okay. Var. Auto. Changed. False. Auto changed equals true. And what I'm going to do here is, yeah, auto changed. What if they moved and went out and changed them again? I'm leaving them. I'm going to leave them. Maybe I'll put up a message. Actually, no. There's no need for a message. They'll know from this dialog box. Let's go back to the dialog box. It'd be nice because I'm on this little tiny screen. I wish I knew better how to do this accessibly. Someone may tell me. We'll fix this. We'll internationalize that in a second. But first, we're going to make a dialog. Let's see what we got. No idea what's going to happen. Watch the console. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. That's gotta be internationalized clearly. That's pretty. I like it. It's accessible. Shows up in the middle, no matter where I'm at. Okay, I'm not happy. I am not unhappy. Okay, so I can console log this out. Get rid of that. I can console log this out. That's pretty done. So this has got to. That's a cool way to do it. I didn't realize that was going to be the title of the thingy. That's kind of cute. I love you, jQuery and jQuery UI. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, I know, all these hipsters and reactors and whatever. This is so gorgeous. Content at once. Since you're placing this tool as a content item tool, placing, I think we should say, I don't know. Placing is good. That's close enough. It doesn't work. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. This will save me when I'm doing demonstrations. This is a call code for me. Okay, so I think this is functional now. We just gotta find some here. T-lang. Let's go to tool.put. Find the internationalization. Have I ever mentioned how much I really think that how I actually love velocity and love how we do internationalization, and it's like so old school. We're going to call this tool dot patch body. Call this one tool patch title. Okay, so, oh crap. Damn it. I had such beautiful text in there. I had all that beautiful text in there. And now I lost it. I gotta re-edit. Tool.patch.body equals. Pop that up to 1 online. There we go. And I bet I don't have those edits anymore. Nope. No, now I gotta go find it again. I gotta copy and paste it. It's not that bad. Not that bad. So this was tool.patch.body. This is it's responsive. I love Sakai. I mean, it is so much better than all of the things in the market right now. I mean, we're just getting better and better all the time. I mean, we're just crushing it. And nobody is as responsive as we are, and nobody cares. Nobody cares. They're all stupid. They all think mobile's the answer. Mobile's fine, but mobile is not a learning management system. Get that through your head. Mobile is not a learning management system. Mobile sucks. Mobile is a very specialized, highly narrow perspective. You'll see. I'm going to write a mobile application like on a Tuesday, and you'll love it. It'll be great. It'll be the way it should be. Not the way these lame other learning management systems do it. Okay. Clear that. I don't think there should be any console messages, so I should check for that. So let's go down here, and let's check our checkbox. This one should do nothing. Since you're placing this tool as a content item tool, we ought to have automatically set it so the title and launch URL can be changed. Yes, that is so sexy and so responsive. Now, let's just double check that they're changing the times they are changing. Titles allowed. I'm glad and that's allowed, so we're good. And then you can argue with me, tweet me at Dr. Chuck if you think that I should set those back. But for now, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave them set because I gave them that notification. It's a UX question, right? Right? And interestingly, at this point, it should not put the message up because they're already set the right way. I figured I put that in, right? I'm only going to do it if they're wrong. I'm only going to put the message up if they're wrong. And they're still set right. I think that's the best way to do it, right? Because I don't want to change them back because then they could have twiddled with these things, right? They could have changed them themselves. And just by unchecking these doesn't mean that those should be turned off. It's not automatic. And I'm too sexy for my user experience. Too sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we're done. Except for the fact that we have some frickin' tabs in here. And they needed to be turned into spaces. No tabs. No tabs left for you. No tabs left for you. Do a little code review. What the heck is that? What the hell? Come on, Brand Master. What is going on? Is there something else that's happened here? Oh, these are other tabs. Okay. Whew. That was scary. I fixed too many tabs at the same time. But none of that looks too dangerous. Okay, let's go fix those spaces at the end of the line. I'm like, oh, do I have like other patches sitting out there? So I fixed tabs. Sorry about that. I don't like touching other things, but I did. But I'm not going to undo that. So let's recompile now that I changed tabs. It should not make any difference, but I am going to recompile. Because it's so easy to test. Because as long as you're working in Tool, Sakai is like pretty dang quick to recompile and whatever. Yeah, it hadn't fully redeployed yet, but now it has redeployed. Not set. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Not set. Watch what happens when we go down and check these checkboxes. Kablooey. I love you so much. Kablooey. Oh yeah. It's too sexy. And come on. Not a very big screen I got here. So we're good. Time to make a branch. Git checkout -b. Gotta copy and paste these. This is the time where oh shoot, I didn't even tell it I started progress. There we go. We started progress. Progress is gonna be meteoric because we are done. Make a branch. Git commit -a. Use the mat trick of just putting the title in. Thank you, Matt. Save the commit message. Push origin SAK-32721. Bluey, so we're going up to the cloud. And now we're going to go to GitHub. We're going to send in a pull request. Wait a second. Hurry up. Okay. There we go. Let's make a pull request. No need. This requires no particular whatever. Okay, so we fired up. Review. We're going to run Travis, so that'll take 30 minutes. I don't know. This one hardly needs review. I'm not going to assign anybody. I'll just let it sit until our core team meeting on Tuesday morning. And I'll just this will be like, whoa, it's a pull request. Well, let's submit it. So we'll look like we're making a lot of progress. So we are done with that particular one. And that took 46 minutes. So thank you for watching. I am going to now shut down the streaming, and we will see you probably go to breakfast. It's a Sunday, so I'm probably going to go to breakfast. So we'll talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed this.